FME 500 bar 15 liters per minute electric high-pressure washer. Stainless steel frame. Constructed with a durable stainless steel frame, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion. Stainless steel high-pressure plunger pump. Features a stainless steel high-pressure plunger pump for superior cleaning power and enhanced durability. Industrial low-speed motor. Powered by an industrial low-speed motor for reduced wear, quiet operation, and extended lifespan. Pressure regulating valve. Features a pressure regulating valve to adjust water pressure for optimal cleaning performance and surface protection. Pneumatic tires. Fitted with pneumatic tires for excellent shock absorption and stability on rough terrain. High precision filter. Incorporates a high precision filter to remove impurities, protecting the pump and ensuring efficient operation. Stainless steel anti-vibration pressure gauge. Includes a stainless steel anti-vibration pressure gauge for precise and reliable pressure monitoring. Intelligent electric control box. Offers an intelligent electric control box for advanced control, user-friendly interface, and enhanced safety. Safety valve. Equipped with a safety valve to prevent overpressurization, ensuring safe and reliable operation. The soft start control board facilitates smooth motor startups, mitigating stress and electric surges to extend motor longevity.
Fusun, make the world cleaner.